Hello everyone, welcome into Postman tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to understand the page method in API testing. So let's begin. Page is used to partially update an existing resource. Only the fields you sent are changed. Select the method here, page, and then enter the URL here. You need to enter the URL here and then enter the data here in body section. Open Chrome browser and here you can view page is used for update the record. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the post, put and delete. Now here we need to send this data. So first we need to enter the URL, copy this complete URL and open Postman, enter URL here. Now enter the data here in body section. Open Chrome browser and click on page. Click on this page and copy this data. Here we sent name and job. Suppose you want to update only name. So you can use the page method because you just want to update the name or job. You just need to enter name. You do not need to enter the complete details of the user. Open Postman and enter here details. If you want to update only name, so you can just enter name here and remove a job. Now we can send the request. We select here page. Page is used for update the record, and we want to update the second user record. Here we mention second user. Now send the request. Now request is sending. We are getting error missing API key. How to get? We need to enter the API key. Here we will enter API key and here you can view add this header to your API request. Now first add this API key into header section. Open header, enter key here and then enter the value. Enter key on Postman and then enter key. Now send the request and see what happened. As you can view, updated at and we are getting status 200 OK. Page updates only what you send. Put replaces everything. Page is lighter and faster while put is heavier and replaces all fields. Page is used when you want to update just one or two fields. Put should be used when you want to update the full record. That's our for today tutorial on page method. If you like the content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to SKWord for more API and testing tutorials. See you in the next video.